guys, it's your girl Tymarrahgi, and I am back with another video. So today is a very natural looking install. This hair is from Ishowhair, and this is a 24-inch 4x4 closure wig, and all information for this hair will be down below. But today I'm just going to show you guys how I got this very natural install. It's just something simple, something that anybody could really do. So I wanted to kind of cater to the people who are like beginners. It's nice, it's flat, and it's cute. I wanted it to look like very natural because I put layers in the hair, so I wanted to give it like a little natural feel, you know. Yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial, and then I will come back and tell you guys my final thoughts for this hair. You guys, so all in all, this hair is very cute. I like it. It's very soft. Like, the hair is really soft. It was easy to manage. It's something very simple if you just want to put a wig on and go, like if you already have it cut and stuff, because I did spray it, but then I kind of like took some of the spray adhesive off so I could just slip it off, so you cannot really tell the difference. So I feel like that's really cute. yeah, it's really cute. And then this is the hair that you can wear like a hat with. Like, let me show y'all real quick. Yes, you guys, like this is the perfect hair to wear a hat with, like for real. Like, it's really cute, like with this hat. Like, yes, you guys, yes. It looks cute to the back too, but it really just gives me like a natural feel. If you guys want to purchase this hair, all links will be down below. Thank you, Ishowhair, for sending me this hair. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be back with more videos.